to Smart Show 360. Let us enter into the world of learning.
Today, I have taken 3 topics in maths for grade 3 students, which is addition, subtraction and basic geometry. So, I have created a model paper for those students studying in grade 2, 3 and 4 grades. So, let's start with the model paper's first question. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer. 1. 381 plus 458. So friends, let us solve the sum together. 381 plus 458 equals to what? That was the sum. So let's see. 8 plus 1 equals to 9. Next, 8 plus 5 equals to not 11. It is 13. So let us write 3 here and then carry over 1 to the hundreds place. So 4 plus 3 plus 1 equals to 8. And so our final answer is 839. So as we can see here, 839 is in the D option. So D, 839 is the correct answer. 2. There are dash faces for a cylinder. So the next question. 2. There are dash faces for a cylinder. I think that is 3. Could you tell me the answer? Oh no, I was wrong. It is 2. So I think that 2 is the correct answer. Let us go to question number 3. 486 minus 354. What is the answer? This, if you can do it easily in mental maths, we can find out that 6 minus 4 is 2. So by this, and if we can subtract more, 8 minus 5 equals to 3 and 4 minus 3 equals to 1. So 132 would be definitely the answer. So the answer is C equal to 132. 4. Find the next shape in the pattern here. See here in the pattern, circle, rectangle, triangle, polygon, or we can say quadrilateral. And again there is a circle here. So what could be the next shape? Here's it. A, triangle. B, rectangle. C, circle. So what is the next one? What is the answer here? Yes, it is B. It's a rectangle. Because here, see, after circle there comes a rectangle. So rectangle is the answer. 5. 360 minus 359. What property is given above? So 360 minus 359, what would be the answer? Yes, it would be 1. So here, 0 property means that it subtracts with 0. So that means 360 minus 0 would be, of course, 360. Order property, it is like, see, in subtraction it does not come. So order property won't be the answer. So we only have unit property left. So unit property would be the answer because we got 1 as the answer. Question number 2. Name the following. 1. Find the next number in the pattern below. It is a number pattern, so we have to concentrate on the numbers below. 7, 14, 21, 28. And what would be the next number? As you all might have guessed, it belongs to the 7th table. We can count it by the 7th table. If you know the 7th table, you can use 7 multiplied by 1 equals to 7, 7 multiplied by 2 equals to 14. Like that you can go. So 7 by 1 equals to 7, 7 by 2 equals to 14, 7 by 3 equals to 21, 7 by 4 equals to 28, and finally 7 by 5 would be 35. So the answer is 35. 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35. Yes, we have got the answer. Next, name the line given here. A, there's a points A and point B. So the answer would be, because I mentioned here, there's a line. So we have to name it what? As you all may have learnt in your subjects, line, if you say line, in your textbooks it might be written that line AB, or if you keep a line point with point P and point Q, the answer might be written line, point P and point Q. We do not write like that actually. That was just an example. So line P and Q would be the answer. So here similarly it would be line A and line B, because there is point A and point B. And so, could you name the number of endpoints in a line segment? Yeah, there is a line and then there are 2 points ending and starting it. So there would be 1 in the starting and 1 at the ending. So there are 2 endpoints in a line segment. And the third question, solve. Subtract 977 minus 598. So my dear friends, here is the question. 977 minus 598. So let all of us solve this together. First, 7 minus 8. Can you subtract 7 from 8? Yes, but subtracting 8 from 7? It is not possible. So what we do? We cut it like this and put 17 above, cause we borrow a tens from here. So then you have to put 6 here. So here 17 minus 8 equals to what? Yes, it is 9. Next, it is 6 minus 9. You cannot take 9 from 6. So what we do? We again borrow from the hundreds place. See here. 9 becomes 8. And 6 becomes 16. So I will write 16 here. So 16 minus 9 equals to 7. Or am I wrong? Okay, that's a yes. That's 7. 8 minus 5 equals to 3. So the answer is 379. Can you calculate it by yourself and say it is correct or not? Let us go to our second question here. Subtract 4568 minus 3659. Now, let us take a look at the sum and let us find the difference of the sum. Now let's start. 8 minus 9. No. You can't do that. So, we of course, like last time, will have to first put 18 and borrow 10 from the previous, the previous place, which is tens. So 18 minus 9 would be 9. And here 6 minus 5. But we already borrowed one 10 from the tens place, which you are now subtracting. So now we will take one away from there. So here now it would be 5. So here 5 minus 5 would of course be 0. And the next one, 5 minus 6. You can't do it. But since the tens digit already borrowed 100 from the hundreds digit, so now you have to borrow 1 from the thousands place. So in thousands place it would be 3 up, and in the hundreds place it would be 14. So 14 minus 6 would be 8. And 3 minus 3 would be 0. So we can either put 0 or write a dot here, because writing a dot would be much sensible, but still for grade 3 students or even for lower grades, they will give you marks if you only give 0. Please do not write a dot in the first, the final one. Write 0 kindly. So I will rub this and then write 0. So the answer is 809.